Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for John in Pennsylvania on his Connex 4300-300. John, we got the receipt repaired for you. Everything's working great on it. Also did a tune and alignment. Show what we got. Our power all the way down. 100-watt slug. 10 watts all the way down, just in case you decide to run a monster amplifier with it one day. 500-watt slug gonna roll the RF power all the way up. Right at 100 watts of carrier, which is perfectly fine to run it there all the time if you want with just the radio. I'm going to show you what the average power swing is. Let me roll it back down some. So you're about 140 bird average. Before, if you remember, you were at 30 bird. Okay. Show you peak power, 500 watt slug. 450 peak. Alright, John, I hope you enjoy it. It's going to be a whole new monster. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.